On this week's Health and Wellness, Meghan Gilroy introduces us to a new wellness expert, Janeen Barnett.
Energy work is an alternative medicine that comes in many forms. Reiki and polarity are two popular examples. Can energy work really promote emotional harmony and balance? Can it really address specific medical concerns and also relieve distress? Well, today we're going to find out whether these things are true and also whether there's any hard science behind it. I'm here with Janeen Barnett, who is an energy worker and a nationally certified massage therapist who practices both Reiki and polarity. So thank you so much for having me with you today.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for coming to talk to me about some of my favorite subjects.
Do you have to believe in energy work for it to be beneficial?
Well, I have this conversation with a lot of people, as I'm sure you imagine, and one of their first questions is either, well, do I have to believe in it, or, oh, I don't believe in that. Mm-hmm. And so my usual response is, do you believe in TV or radio? To which I usually get the same reaction, like, right. What? But the science behind it is exactly the same, because it's based on frequency and wavelength and vibration. Because we are made of matter. At our very, very core, we are particles in space.
Right.
And so we, in our bodies and our spirits and our minds, adhere to the same principles as a particle, any other piece of matter.
Right.
And so we have this innate vibration and wavelength and frequency to our bodies. And because a kidney cell is not made of the same matter as a lung cell, they will have a different resonance. And so they'll resonate to a different frequency. So this is where things like sound therapy and light therapy and energy work can come into the body and help realign and bring back the natural resonance to each of these pieces of our body that is there innately.
So it's just like it doesn't matter if you believe in TV or not, it works.
Right, because there's a station out there that's broadcasting energy, another human being. Mm-hmm. You and I are having an energetic conversation.
Right.
Because your body is broadcasting some energetic signals, which mine is receiving and responding to.
Is there a technique that you could show someone who's skeptical about energy work that we could try right now?
Okay, so you can do a little easy, you can do this with me.
Okay.
All right. So we're just going to take our hands and we're going to close our eyes.
Okay.
We're going to put our hands together. We're going to rub them together really, 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 really fast.
Okay.
And you can feel the heat build up.
Yep.
All right. And then we're going to pull our hands apart about shoulders width, maybe a little farther. And with your eyes closed, concentrate on the center of your palms and bring them together. And when you feel like your hands are next to each other or getting close to each other, you can often feel some resistance start to happen. Mine happens about here. And you can actually sort of feel this ball of energy. Some people get really, 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 really close, but it happens for almost everyone. And so open your eyes and see how far apart they are.
Cool. Simple and fun.
Simple and fun.
Well, thank you so much for talking to me about science and energy work.
Again, it's some of my favorite subjects.